Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a pretty exciting video for you. I was feeling super nostalgic and I thought it would be fun to share with you my entire Louis Vuitton collection. If you've been following me for a while, you know that Louis Vuitton is kind of one of my old school favorite brands. And when I started collecting handbags, Louis Vuitton was the brand that I started collecting. I thought it would be fun to share with you what my current Louis Vuitton collection is, what are the pieces that I've kept over the years, what are the new pieces, what do I love the most. So let's get into the video. My first item is this Louis Vuitton Epi Leather Cosmetic Pouch. I picked this up summer 2019 and I did an unboxing for it, and I've been loving this little SLG. It's really nice for travel. I use it daily for work. So I love this. Another SLG I have is my Louis Vuitton 4 keyring holder. And I've had this for years, guys. And as you see, it's quite worn. And yeah. Inside, it's the fuchsia. And I just have my keys and car key there. This is how it looks. This item was made in France. I have is this Louis Vuitton book. And what it is, it's a Paris city guide. And I bought this at the Louis Vuitton exhibition I went to in New York City, January 2018. Speaking of the exhibition, they actually gave us a gift when we were there. When we were at the exhibition, they actually gifted us those pens, and I really love that one because it's the same font that was used in the Louis Vuitton graffiti collection. So that's a cool pen to have. Another SLG I have is my Louis Vuitton monogram passport holder. I've actually shared this as well on my channel. And obviously it's personalized for me. I got this from the monogram collection. Another SLG I have is this card holder. So it's a card holder I picked up this summer. It's hot stamped with my initials. Another fun SLG to share with you guys are some luggage tags I have. When I was collecting handbags, another thing was to collect these luggage tags. So I would pick them up anytime I got a chance. So this one is just the traditional Vachetta luggage tag with my initials in gold. And this is the Damier Bean leather tag, and this is the small. This is the kind of regular large size, and this is the small. So you can see the Z, just my first initial there. So those were really cool, like bag charms. Obviously you can use it on your luggage, but this was something, and look at my little old school Louis Vuitton box that I keep it in. Oh, my only piece of Louis Vuitton jewelry. So I have this Louis Vuitton bracelet. I believe I've at some point shared most of this on my channel, but this is a bracelet, and it's just a leather bracelet. And what it is like the year that Louis Vuitton was started. So it says Louis Vuitton here and the date here. And then I have it also hot stamped with my initials, just the Z, no color, just the hot stamping. I really like this little bracelet. It's just a simple leather kind of buckle bracelet. And again, this is my only piece of Louis Vuitton jewelry. I think I've covered all my SLGs. So this is my Louis Vuitton Alma BB in black epi leather. I have so many videos on this bag on my channel, so if you're interested in this bag, definitely check out some of my other videos where I share my review, kind of what's in my bag, and even unboxing when I originally got this bag. So go ahead and check those videos out. But I love the Alma BB. It's such a classic Louis Vuitton bag, and again, I love epi leather. So beautiful bag, still love it. So another bag that I recently added to my collection is my Louis Vuitton My World Tour Neverfull MM. And I got this bag this past summer 2019, and it's really holding up beautifully. It still looks brand new. I've used it pretty regularly and it's still holding up really nicely. So I'm loving this. And I have a really fun story. If you hadn't seen that video of when I unboxed this and revealed this bag, you definitely have to go up, because I got this bag from Louis Vuitton for free. So if you want to know how I got this bag for free, go check out that video. So, and of course the new model come with this pouch that you can use as a wristlet, or you can attach to the D-ring on the inside of the bag. I use this mostly as a pouch on its own. Like I said, you can use it as a wristlet by itself, and it just has the same stamps that you've chosen for your world tour design. So this is a really nice little extra that comes with the Louis Vuitton Neverfulls now. So inside it just has this little slip pocket, and yeah, you can use this as a little clutch by itself, or again down inside the bag. Final item to share with you is a Louis Vuitton Keep All 45. So I store this bag flat and fold it up like it is in its dust bag in my closet. So here is my Louis Vuitton Keep All 45, the Macassar, which is the black leather with the silver tone hardware. This is a very special Louis Vuitton piece for me, because not only is it my first Louis Vuitton like travel luggage piece, so I actually bought this at the Louis Vuitton Champs-Élysées store in Paris. So that's the Louis Vuitton original flagship boutique. So I was there in Paris and I picked up my very first piece of travel, which I think is super appropriate, super fitting to buy first travel piece in Paris. So guys, that's it. That's my entire Louis Vuitton collection. I thought this was so fun to share with you guys and kind of just go over the items that I've collected and kept over the years. If there's any item that you saw in this video that you'd like a further review on or a closer look at, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe and join my fashion community. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and sometimes travel. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications if you haven't already. And thanks so much for watching today, guys. As always, if you have any questions or comments about anything, please let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.